Learn Welsh past tense. I made.
Wnes I.
You made.
Gwnaethost ti.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to have fun while learning Welsh? Take a breath, smile, and let's begin. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart way to learn languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice decks. Today we'll crack the Welsh past tense of the super useful verb to do, make.
Gwneud.
You'll hear and say, I made.
Wnes I.
You made, sing.
Gwnaethost ti.
She made.
Gwnaeth hi.
It made.
Gwnaeth.
We made.
Gwnaethon ni.
You made, plural.
Gwnaethoch chi.
They made.
Gwnaethon nhw.
Warm up your tongue, because this verb is everywhere, and today, it's going to stick like peanut butter on toast. Your goal today. By the end, you can confidently say every key form in a real conversation. Your target. Know the base.
Gwneud.
Then speak these natural past forms out loud and fast.
Wnes I. Gwnaethost ti. Gwnaeth hi. Gwnaeth. Gwnaethon ni. Gwnaethoch chi. Gwnaethon nhw.
Beat the verb drill. Clap your rhythm or tap your desk. I'll count you in. Count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made.
Wnes I.
You made, sing.
Gwnaethost ti.
She made.
Gwnaeth hi.
It made.
Gwnaeth.
We made.
Gwnaethon ni.
You made, plural, formal.
Gwnaethoch chi.
They made.
Gwnaethon nhw.
Base verb. To do, make.
Gwneud.
Again, a bit quicker.
Wnes I. Gwnaethost ti. Gwnaeth hi. Gwnaeth. Gwnaethon ni. Gwnaethoch chi. Gwnaethon nhw.
Funny dialogue. Listen in and echo the Welsh parts out loud, yes, even if your plant is the only audience. A. Yesterday, I made the cake. I made.
Wnes I.
B. Nice. You made the icing too, you made, sing.
Gwnaethost ti.
A. She made the playlist, she made.
Gwnaeth hi.
B. And that drum roll? It made everyone jump, it made.
Gwnaeth.
A. Teamwork time. We made the decorations, we made.
Gwnaethon ni.
B. Shout out to the helpers. You made the snacks, you made, plural.
Gwnaethoch chi.
A. The guests? They made the biggest mess, they made.
Gwnaethon nhw.
B. Moral of the story. When in doubt, use the powerhouse verb to do, make.
Gwneud.
Culture tip. Quick nugget on real-life Welsh usage to make you sound natural. Welsh uses the same verb for do and make.
Gwneud.
So you will hear everyday questions like,
Beth wyt ti'n gwneud?
meaning what are you doing? At festivals like the Eisteddfod, you might hear proud lines like we did it. We made.
Gwnaethon ni.
Save that one for your own victories. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll give you a pause before revealing the key phrase. 1. How do you say I made? Answer.
Wnes I.
2. You made, singular, informal. Answer.
gwnaethost.
3. She made? Answer.
Gwnaeth hi.
4. It made? Answer.
Gwnaeth.
5. We made? Answer.
Gwnaethon ni.
6. You made, plural, formal. Answer.
Gwnaethoch chi.
7. They made? Answer.
Gwnaethon nhw.
8. What's the base verb to do, make? Answer.
Gwneud.
Speed challenge. Deep breath, time to flex your new superpower. Say the full run twice, faster each time.
Wnes i. Gwnaethost ti. Gwnaeth hi. Gwnaeth. Gwnaethon ni. Gwnaethoch chi. Gwnaethon nhw.
Now invent a tiny story and use at least 3 forms. Example prompt. Yesterday, we made a plan, she made the call, and they made dinner. Then add the base verb, to do, make.
Gwneud.
Wrap up. You did brilliantly, seriously, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms in short daily bursts.
Wnes i. Gwnaethost ti. Gwnaeth hi. Gwnaeth. Gwnaethon ni. Gwnaethoch chi. Gwnaethon nhw.
And the base.
Gwneud.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab free drills, transcripts, and more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Come back tomorrow and make, yes, do, one more mini win. Deal.